Hi everybody, welcome to PracticeMock. As you know that the notification for PFRDA grade A post is now out, and there are vacancies in 6 streams, namely General, Finance and Accounts, IT, Research, Legal and Official Language. So the starting day for applying is 15th September and the last date to do so would be 7th October. And the date for phase 1 online exam is not out yet. It will be soon notified. So if we see stream wise, there are 15 vacancies for general stream, 2 for finance and accounts, 1 for IT, 1 for research, 2 for legal and 1 for official language. The respective eligibility criteria, for example, for general stream, it is you have to possess the master's degree in any discipline or a bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university. Likewise, you can see the eligibility criteria for each stream. And you also have to keep in mind that your date must not exceed 30 years as on July 31st, 2022. Now let's come to phase 1 exam details. So the syllabus is so that we will be having 2 papers in phase 1. The first paper would be comprising questions from English, Quant, Reasoning, General Awareness, and paper 2 would be testing your core subjects. So you can see the breakup of questions. For English, we are going to have 20 questions. Then for Quant 20, for Reasoning 20, and for General Awareness 20. So in total 80 questions of 100 marks. And paper 2, we are going to have core subjects in that. So for general stream, we will be having commerce, management, finance, costing, Companies Act, economics and pension sector. So those who are familiar with SEBI grade A exam, all these topics are almost the same except for pension sector, which is new. Now those who qualify for phase 1 will be called out for phase 2 exam. But you have to keep in mind that to be eligible for phase 2, you have to score at least 40% of the maximum marks for paper 2, that is 100. So it's 40% would be 40. And in phase 2, we are going to have again paper 1 and paper 2, but this time instead of having Quant, Reasoning, English, we are going to have descriptive English of 100 marks. So in total there would be 3 questions. So one could be essay, the second question could be from RC, and third from Pressy writing or any other form of letter. Just like phase 1, in phase 2 also, the paper 2 part would be testing your core subjects like commerce, management, finance, costing, Companies Act, economics and pension sector. Again this time 50 questions and 100 marks. To make to the final list, 85% weightage would be from phase 2 exam and 15% weightage would be from your interview score. These two combined will make the final list for the selection. Now we have another update for you that we are soon going to launch a mock series for PFRDA. So stay tuned with us. We are soon going to notify about this.